word about the materials we work with and safety. Safety glasses are the most important thing when you're working with fiber optics. I'm not like your wood shop teacher that told you before you use a hammer, put on your safety glasses. I'm not that guy. But this is serious. Glass shards that are 125 microns in diameter getting in your eye will work their way into the soft tissue in your eye, and it's not good. In fact, you don't want to eat or drink anywhere in the vicinity when you're working with the glass. Just don't do it. All it takes is a couple of glass shards and you ingest them, and we don't know what kind of problems you're going to have. So wear your safety glasses, keep your work area clear, and make sure if there's any bystanders, looking over your shoulder because you're the cool fiber guy, that they have safety glasses as well. Okay. This is the alcohol. These are the chem wipes, lint-free wipes that we use for cleaning connectors. This is not your grandma's rubbing alcohol. This is over 95% pure alcohol. It's highly flammable. Okay, do not smoke around this. And I know some of you guys are saying don't smoke at all. But honestly, stay away from open fire and flame with this. And please don't get this in your eye. Now we're going to take a look at some of the common hand tools we use in fiber optics. The primary tool, or first tool if you will, that you're going to become familiar with is the fiber optic stripper. This is a 3-hole stripper. This is designed to cut the jacket cable, cut the tight buffer, and the smallest hole is to remove the primary buffer coating. Sometimes it just adheres and we have a little trouble getting it off. This is your best friend. Next is the Kevlar shears. They look like scissors, but they're designed for one purpose only, to cut the Kevlar inside your cables. If you cut paper, anything else with them, your toenails, they're going to become dull and you won't be able to use them. For everything else we cut, these are electrician or telco scissors depending on what side of the industry you're from, and these have been around forever. These are for our multi-purpose cutting. Okay, we need to cut a tight buffer off or anything like that, we use this tool. A pair of diagonal snips are kind of optional. These are the cutters that we use. This is a scribe. This is not for cutting fiber. This has a carbide tip, sometimes they're ruby. It's a wedge shape, and when we're doing hand connectors, we need to etch that glass and lift it off. And that's what this tool is for. It looks kind of like a pen, actually. Then we have a pair of ratcheting crimps. There's different dies, and the dies you use will depend on the connector that you're using. You have to complete the cycle on these to open them, like that. They're ratcheting. So if you stop halfway, you're not going to get them open. You need to complete that cycle. Okay? Sometimes you have to use 2 hands if it's being a little difficult. The next piece of test equipment we're going to look at is the fiber microscope. The fiber microscope is used for inspecting connectors for finish, dirt, scratches, things of that nature. We can focus right in. We can look at the core, the cladding, and the ferrule of our connector. Word of caution: if there is traffic on a fiber line, it won't hurt you to look at the connector, but if you focus on it with the fiber microscope, you're focusing that laser directly into the retina of your eye, and yes, you can cause permanent damage. Is it going to kill you? No, but it's certainly going to change the quality of your life in a way you won't like. So remember, never, ever, ever inspect a connector until you've determined that there is no traffic using your power meter.